All right, folks, we're here, city of Pasadena, running a new main line from the meter to the house. It was all old galvanized. Probably can't see it in the video, but it comes through here and at 90s and then it goes straight over. So we rerouted the line. It's 12 inches deep, tunneled under the sidewalk, and then new connection at the water meter using Uponor 3/4. Took me and Carlos to tunnel this 30 minutes. And to do this whole thing about hour and 45, believe it or not. So, yeah, that's first step is done. All right. Got just a little copper. That probably goes in maybe, I don't know, 12 inches. We got another, I don't know, 18 inches there. Transition to Uponor. And then the water's on, no leaks. And we're just backfilling right now. 8 p.m. We are heading over to Home Depot to get some, I got the wrong angle stops. Get some angle stops. And actually that's it, and then we will be back tomorrow. Okay. All right, got the hose bib tied in.
All right, then I'll let you go. You gotta go pick up Toby or something.
And did my first gardening landscaper job right here. Tied it in, just goes boom, boom, boom. Connects right there. And then lastly, we're gonna tie that in. I gotta cut that out. And we're gonna stub it out, just like these.